So it's the day before school starts, and this is where we are. Soleil, how do you feel about going to school tomorrow?
Amazing.
Yeah? Why?
It's exciting.
You met your teacher today?
Yeah.
How was that?
Fun.
She's sweet?
Yeah, really.
Yeah. Yeah, Soleil's all ready. She's got her new backpack with a matching, hold on, you gotta see this. With a matching pencil bag. Soleil was so sweet. She's like, oh, I don't need anything new. I'll just use the old stuff I have, which is like we taught them. And then today at the store we saw that. We're like, okay, let's go get it. So we got her that. And she's like, Mom, I don't need a new backpack every year. It could be every few years. Danny's talking to her friend about how they feel about the first day of school.
Bye.
Kind of exciting. Oazi's setting up the computer. We can watch Modern Family. Oazi, how do you feel about starting school tomorrow? How do you feel about going to school tomorrow?
Good.
Really? Wow. And I am doing home repair. Look. You see this? Our cupboards have been, you know, pretty chipped and used. And what I've been doing is this. I got a black permanent marker. This is called Home Repair 101. And now I'm just coloring it in. I'll show you. There's good light here. And hold on. There's a chip here. And a chip here. You can color that in a little bit. It doesn't color. There's a little chip here. No, it's dirt. That's it. And we have a newly refurbished cupboard. There you go. That's it. And all new. Oh, hold on, I see here tons. So, yep, I'll just do a line going straight down. And ta-da! Oh, hold on. Hold on. That's dirt. Ta-da! New cabinet. Yeah, we did it all here. All of this was marked up too. Colored it in. Ta-da! Home repair. White trash way number 101. And it's totally about simplify your life, which I'm really still reading a lot about again and again about how we can do it in a simple way. So, permanent marker fixed it, we're done. And we're starting school tomorrow.